What's up, guys? As I told you, I ordered the Rylo camera and it just arrived. Let's open it. This is the package. Really excited to unbox it and to see what this camera is capable of. Let's do it. Okay, so you see the packaging is really simple. It's a beautiful packaging. The camera comes with this little handle and yeah, it's weird to have a camera that has two lenses that looks everywhere. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna try it out today as much as I can and share the results with you soon. As you maybe saw in the package, I also ordered a second battery because you cannot get these batteries here in Germany because they don't sell the Rylo camera in Germany. So to not miss any shot, I think for every camera that you have, it's good to have a second camera battery. So that was the unboxing. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.